it's Karma. Welcome to Karma of Ominit. So today is my first box that I'm going to be opening from Enchanted Crystals. It's the June 2020 box, although I do understand that the one thing about Enchanted Crystal is that no one gets the same thing every month. So it's always a surprise. You never know what you're going to get. In the description, it does say that you get like so many rares, so many very rares, kind of a thing. They have a lower level subscription that I want to say it's like $10 a month, fairly cheap, and you get just a single crystal. I actually subscribed to the, not sure what it's called. It's the next one up on the subscription box. I thought there was a name for it, but I'm not seeing it right here. So it's $42 a month for the level that I chose. So I have seen some really beautiful stuff in other people's boxes. So I think that it will be worth it, but I'm not sure how many months I'll do it. Just kind of depends. I like to try and give new subscription boxes at least 3 to 4 months to kind of decide whether or not it's worth it, so that I can let you know. I did, watching other unboxings, see one thing that I would like to see. I've got reference materials, but it doesn't come with, say, a description of the stone. It just has the name of the stone. I think it says where it's from. So that's good enough if you have other reference material. I did find another crystal box that has a little bit more description, so I'm going to compare those two. So you'll see that coming as well later on. And the other box that I'm going to be trying is the Cosmic Crystal box, and it's $21.95 a month, so it's a lot less. The one thing I would say is with the Cosmic Crystal box, I did notice that most of their gems are polished, and a lot of these are more rough cut, and I do really enjoy rough cut stones, so we'll see how it goes. I did end up getting 2 boxes, so I don't know whether that's normal and whether this is the one box that everyone gets if they order 1 stone a month, and then this is the other box, because I kind of ordered the first one and then ordered the second one, so I'm not quite sure. We won't know till next month for sure whether you get 2 boxes or just 1. I think in most people's, I've seen them just do the one, open the one for the month. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to put that one over there. Take off my glasses for a minute. So let's see what we have. Oh, guess I got to open it right. Okay. So this one does have a description, which is nice. It says rainbow fluorite wand. Now I need my glasses. For this month's crystal, we've selected rainbow fluorite from the amazing deposits located in Hunan province, China. Fluorite, which is first recorded in 1530, has a long history of industrial uses, but given its natural cubic form and wide array of colors, it is also one of the most sought-after minerals for collectors. I love rainbow fluorite. I have several pieces because that's where you get the greens and the purples and all the different colors and some clear places, and so it just really shows so pretty. Rainbow fluorite has become famous for its fantastic banding of color, clear, purple, and green. Since purple's my favorite, that's probably why I like it. This is due to multiple separate deposits of fluorite layering on top of each other. What causes these sections to possess different colors can come from 2 sources. First, there may be impurities inside the crystal which disrupt the atomic structure of the fluorite while it is formed. The other possibility is it could have been exposed to natural radiation within the earth, which also disrupts the atomic structure, similar to amethyst and smoky quartz. Whichever of these occurs, the end result is light passes through the crystal portions of the visible spectrum and is captured by the distorted crystal lattice. This then causes our eyes to see the vivid purple and greens running throughout the fluorite. And then this is their little Thanks for joining our June subscription box. It's an honor to have you with us. It's been an exciting time at Enchanted Crystal. We've added many new crystal and mineral varieties to our inventory over the past month, and we're excited to share these new treasures with all of you. We've also been going through shop upgrades to help us better organize and prepare these beautiful new varieties for both subscribers and our monthly Instagram live sales. Be sure to follow us at Enchanted Crystal to stay up to date on our next crystal sale. As the world slowly reopens, because it's COVID, and many of us are carefully emerging from our homes, we wish you and your loved ones safety, joy, and prosperity. Blessings, Adam and the Enchanted Crystal team. Excellent. So let's see this baby. Looks like it's really packaged well. That's really nice, because there's nothing worse than getting a beautiful crystal that you absolutely love and opening it up and it's broken. So this is good. They've got it wrapped in. Okay. So I think that's probably what happened. I probably got one box and then the other box. So they've got it wrapped in, you know, good kind of a heavy paper, like a butcher paper almost. And then they've got it bubble wrapped inside here as well, and in a nice box. Each of the subscription boxes come with what they call gem chips that you'll get, and they're free bonuses. So this month says free bonus mini crystals or minerals, dragon's blood, Guinea fowl or guinea fowl, Guinea, G-U-I-N-A, guinea fowl, and pitcher jasper. So here's the dragon's blood. Really pretty. Here's the pitcher jasper. Whoops. They're nice pieces too, and these are polished. And then of course your guinea fowl, which I don't know anything about. So I'm excited to learn more about that. This box I think is more just for people who really enjoy gems and such. And so, you know, it's not going to, say, have as much on the metaphysical properties of stones or that kind of thing. But if you don't have, and there's 3 different volumes, this is the first one, but Judy Hall, the Crystal Bible, if you're going to be getting gems like this and you are interested in the metaphysical properties, both healing and healing properties as well, her books are great. They're not that expensive. This one's $21.99. It's got full pictures. It's a beautiful book. And then she has Crystal Bible 1 and Crystal Bible, 2 and 3. And they have additional crystals that are not in this book. So all 3 of them together are like a complete set. So let's see what this baby looks like. Oh, it's a double pointed. Oh, that's nice. Let's see if you can see it. Got a big point on this end, a little point on that end. That is beautiful. Beautiful, mostly purples in this one. But when you hold it up to the light, you can really see through different places. It just makes these so interesting to look at. That is a beautiful stone. So if this is the only stone you got and you got the $10, $12 box, whatever it is, that is a really good value for your money, because you would pay more, at least $10 for this in any of the stores that I go to. Or even like on Amazon. I check stones all over the place. So here's the second box. And I don't know whether I would have gotten that one or if I would just get this one. Hard to tell. So the subscription box that was the higher box, with the Enchanted crystals, it's about $42 a month. It comes with a crystal grid pattern each month. That's beautiful. The crystal grid I'm just going to set this back over here so we can kind of move over it and see what we have from the first box versus the second box. You know, we can't see that very good on this blue. I chose darker because typically it shows better background than light. So there's the crystal grid. So we have the same letter again. And then you can see that it's again wrapped really good. Let's just get these out. So we have a rare, a very rare, 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 doesn't say anything rare, not rare, not rare, so those will go there, and rare. Okay, so it looks like I got 4 rare, 1 very rare, and I'm assuming that these are common, and 2 common. And then I got another thing of the mini crystals. So this must be the box that I would get now monthly, and this was just the smaller box that I got, but that's a really nice piece. So hopefully there will be something nice, a big nice piece in this. But here's the same exact bonus pack right there. So let's start with the non-rare then. So this says Fluorite Obsidian Set. Okay. No. Fluorite Octahedron. Yeah, I'm not going to say it right. Octahedron set. So this is going to be like little crystals that you can use to connect things on your grid. And you can never have too many of those for sure. They're ones that just kind of get added in there. Oh, pretty. These aren't little ones. Oh, that's really beautiful. So it's a set of 3. And it looks like these are, again, naturally formed. They're not cut. And it's a set of 3. That's beautiful. Oh, those are really pretty. One of them's kind of a little bit more green. One of them has a little bit more orange. And then there's more of the white there. That's really pretty. I'm excited. So, what do you use fluorite for? Write down in the comments. Yes, I'm going to ask you. I want to learn with you, and although I have the book and I know I have my go-tos that I use for gems, I'd love to know, what are you using these gems for? Oh, pretty. Oops. I put the thing in there. Okay, so this is a desert rose. I'm living in Arizona. I'm fairly familiar with those. But I don't think I have one right now. I don't know if I've ever even had one, even though I've seen them around. Really pretty. Again, what do you use your desert rose for? Do you use your gems just to look at because they're pretty? Or do you use them for healing or crystal grids? What do you use them for? So now we'll go with the rare. Oh, lepidolite mica. That's really pretty. So I've never heard of lepidolite mica. So very rare. So I'll have to look that up in my book and give you some more information. Besides doing the crystal grid this month, usually I choose a couple of gems, and I'll be doing some videos that are just on specific stones and what metaphysical properties, what healing properties they have, and how you might use them. So I'll have different folders that all of those will be in that you'll be able to find. Madagascar Candle Quartz, rare. Okay. Oh, wow. So this again looks like it's in its raw form. That is beautiful. Really really pretty. Really nice feeling to it too. That's a gorgeous. That's really pretty. A white howlite wand, rare. Ooh. I'll bet you this is supposed to be like the big crystal in this one. I don't know though, that one's really nice too. So it might be hard to tell what is the big crystal in this box versus the cheaper box that just has one nice crystal that's absolutely gorgeous. So, but that is beautiful. Howlite's really nice, and honestly, I really usually hesitate to sell it because a lot of times people will sell fake howlite. But if it's coming from here, it's definitely real. And that is absolutely beautiful. So double point again, and a wand. So it might be that they give you one that's like a wand polished, and that's considered your big stone. I don't know though, because if that's rare, that's a beautiful piece too. Hard to say. Celestite, rare. Right here. I'm excited because that's why I love getting this one, is it's a lot of stones that I don't normally use. Ooh. Wow. Oh, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. Again, natural. Wow. Celestite. So again, it's really nice to sometimes get this box because it's not ones that I normally use. So I get to learn new stones, which is what I'm trying to do all the time. Emerald. Very rare emerald. Maybe this is the main stone. I don't know. Guess I won't ever know because several of them could be. That's a good sign of a good box. Oh, pretty. So, this is a raw emerald. Very rare raw emerald. So funny. So funny that so many of our beautiful gems that we use in necklaces and stuff like that are semi-precious gems. You could just walk by that rock and not even know it was an emerald. I would never know. Looks like 100 other rocks that I walk by, especially up in northern Arizona where they have beautiful crystals in them. That is so funny. I'd never know that was an emerald. Very cool. So there's our box for this month. Again, what I want to say is that this would be the box that you would receive if you got their lesser subscription, because I ordered it, then I canceled it, and I ordered the bigger box. So this must be the separate bigger box if you were to get the subscription. So I don't think that that was part of it. So this is actually two different subscription boxes. This is the cheaper one, and then this is the more expensive one that you would get. Beautiful, beautiful pieces. I'm super excited, and I'll use this as part of my crystal grid. Thanks for coming. And again, what do you use howlite for? Comment below and let me know, what do you use these gems for? Have a great day.